Hello, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy way to generate an AI video from an article. So in this video tutorial, this is what I did. I created this video and then I downloaded it, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step with no steps skipped. So I'm actually going to play this video for you to see.
The joy of every healthcare provider is to see their patients not only recover, but also feel well treated.
So in this video, I just copied this article from this website. So this is the article I just copied. You just have to copy the URL. That's the link to the article, and then it's going to generate this for you in a video format. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, no steps skipped. Now you need to use this website. It's called the elaiwebsite.io. So I'm going to leave the link at the description of this video. You just have to go ahead, sign up on this website and click on try live for free, and then you can follow along and then do exactly what I'm going to do in this video tutorial. Also, like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification. As you can see on my screen, just a few people are subscribing to this channel. So I recommend you subscribe for more video tutorials on this. YouTube channel. So let's just look at a preview of this video.
And taken care of during their stay in the hospital. The story was not different in the male medical ward, F3, of the Ho Teaching Hospital earlier today, when one of the patients who was on a
So you can add your own avatar to talk, you can do modification to this, and this is actually what I'm going to do in this video tutorial. If you like this, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification. Also leave a comment at the description of this video. Now let's jump into action. You first need to sign up, like I said, but in this case I've already signed up. So what I'm going to do now is to start creating a new video from text. So let's go back here, and then we're going to copy the link of this video. That's the URL to this video. So as you can see, the content, the image, and everything we pull up from this site for our video. So I'll go ahead and then just copy the URL to this video, and then just go here. So this is a video I downloaded. Basically, you have your video after you are done, and then you can download that and then use it wherever you want to. So when I come back here, all you have to do is to go ahead and create video. So when you do that, we have what using as the GPT-3. You can do that. It's in the beta version. That means it's still under development. We have the generate from URL. We have e-commerce and other amazing stuff you can do right here on this particular website, and the link is going to be at the description. In our case, you want to use the generate from URL, so we are using the link. So click on that and then paste your link here. So I'm pasting my link here, and I'll go ahead to select what a template. So it's going to be a template that you can easily modify and then use in your video tutorial. So select a template. You can see I have several templates. This was a template I used in my previous video, and we have several templates you want to use for this. So just go ahead and select any of them that you prefer to use. I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to go ahead and select, and it is going to give you several templates to work with, and it's going to be like a slide, and you can go ahead and modify that. So I'll go ahead and click on create video, and it's going to take some time. Video generation in progress. So it's going to take some time to generate this video for you, and then you can modify the content and then also change the audio version that you want to use. So let's wait for this to complete. So my audio or my template and everything is almost done. So as you can see, I have my image and everything pulled from this website just through the URL, and then it's actually been populated over here. So you can see we have the slide 1, we have the slide 2, we have slide 3 in that order. So I have everything displayed over here for me. And what you can do is that once you click on any slide, you can select and then modify the content. You can see I have the text color. So if the text is hidden, I can just reposition this where the image are. I can actually modify basically everything I have here on my screen. So you can modify and then resize anything you are using. So I can just resize and then just reposition everything I want to do and make sure I have everything well aligned. So I can go to slide 2 and basically do the same. So I can just move this over here and then also change the font color, the font size, and every other thing I want to do. And I also have the slide animation over here. So before you move to a new slide, you can just add some animation over here. So you have the fade from left. If you don't want that, you can select anything from what we have over here. You can equally do that. And you can also choose no animation. If you don't want to, you can just go ahead and then choose no animation. I'll just select fade in from here, and that is what I'm using at the moment. You can go to slide 3 and then equally do that, and then you can modify every individual slide as you move on. So you just go ahead and then modify every slide, and then you can just play with that. Once you are done with everything, we can choose to render this or even change the background. So the background we have for this, we can equally modify that. So we have several GIF image stickers you can equally apply to that. So you have down here the text we have within this, every text we have here. If you decide to actually modify something here, you can do that. So we can just move from slide to slide and then just modify everything, and then we jump to the next step. Okay, so now that everything is set, I have images here, I have videos, and you can also get some video from other website if you want to. We have music, you can add music to the background. If everything is set, then we can render this video and then we'll get this through our email and then we download it. If you also want to actually display this on a mobile device, then you can switch this from here, that is 9 to 16 inches, or if you want to go with the large screen size, then you go with 16 to 9 inches. So that is basically what you can do in this. We have the audio aspect over here. You can see the audio I'm using at the moment is Jenny US. If you click on this, you can actually modify the audio. So you can see you have several audio versions. We have Indian, we have several other languages you can pick from here. So I'm just going to stick with Jenny over here, and then let me say apply voice. Okay, so once everything is said and done, you can create your own template if you want to. Once everything is said and done, I'm going to click on render and then click on render. So I have 1 minute out of this to do this. I have 1 minute 30 seconds approximately video duration. So I'll just go ahead and then click on start render, and it's going to take some time to do that. I just have to give myself some time. So we'll get back to this when the validation is done. So I'm getting some notification over here, but we are experiencing some high volume of render requests. We just have to wait. It's going to take some 30 minutes to do that, to render the video. You can see it's very high quality video, so we just have to allow ourselves some time. I'm going to pause this video. Once this is done, I'll show you how to get this video. So once your video is done rendering, you're going to get this in your email. So you're going to have access. It said, Timothy, your video is ready. So all you have to do is to open this video in your email, and then you can click on watch video. So I just click on this to open it. So I'm going to have access to actually watch this video and also download it. So I can easily play a portion of this video.
The joy of every healthcare provider is to see their patients not only recover, but also feel well treated and taken care of during their stay in the hospital.
You can see how amazing this is looking. And all I have to do is to go ahead and click on download. And I have a copy of this on my PC. So you can see it's going to download this video to my PC. And then anyway I want to use this video, I can go ahead and use this. Like, subscribe for more tutorial, because I have great content coming up for you this year. And don't forget to also comment at the comment section and let me know what you think about this video. So once this video is downloading, I can open it anywhere and then I can play it.
The joy of every healthcare provider is to see their patients not only recover, but also feel well treated and taken care of during their stay in the hospital. The story was not different in the male medical.
So you can see this is very, very amazing. We just pick an article from a site and then we pull the URL to this amazing website. And then we've been able to generate our content or generate AI video using this amazing trick. We didn't write any article. We just pulled it from a site straight using the link, and then we'll be able to generate this content. Like, subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'm doing more AI videos and I'll be sharing more tips and tricks with you. I'm going to leave the link to this website at the description of this video, and I'll be doing more AI videos. So remember to subscribe for more. Bye bye.